Excellencies, the SCO member states have a shared interest in ensuring peace and stability in the region, which is a precondition for economic development anywhere in the world. The hydra-headed monster of terrorism and extremism, whether committed by individuals, societies, or states, must be fought with full vigor and conviction. Any temptation to use it as a cudgel for diplomatic point scoring must be avoided under all circumstances. Terrorism in all its forms and manifestations, including state terrorism, must be condemned in clear and unambiguous terms. There can be no justification for the killing of innocent people, regardless of the cause or pretext. Similarly, religious minorities should never be demonized in the pursuit of domestic political agendas. While the sacrifices made by Pakistan in fighting terrorism are without parallel, this scourge continues, unfortunately, to plague our region and remains a serious obstacle to the maintenance of peace and stability. SCO countries must take concerted and immediate actions, both in their national capacities as well as collectively, under the framework of SCO RATs, to combat the three evils of terrorism, extremism, and separatism.